Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a Instant Pot recipe today. So we got some chickpeas, we got some, this is a special cracked black pepper stewed tomato, got some corn, onions, potatoes. This is going to be my sort of Thanksgiving stew. And I'm going to throw a beet in there as well, and some carrots. So here's a beet, it's a huge beet. So, and then, yeah, so it's going to be a little bit red. I'm going to add some rice to it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back and show you, do a quick taste test as well. So let's just give me a minute here. I'm also going to be adding this turkey thighs in there. So this was on sale, so I'm going to use it up. And yeah, I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, the carrots are in there, the onions, the potato, and the chicken's in there. I'm going to add the chickpeas and everything else now, so stay tuned. It's been fully seasoned. As you can see, there's pepper and everything, so I'm going to add those and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's all ready. As you can see, everything's in there now. I'm going to put it into the poultry bun, and then I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright, guys, the stew is all done. Check this out. Do a quick taste test. Oh, that's actually really good. It's got a clear broth, if you guys can see it. And the flavor is phenomenal. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.